this video shows a new feature, not big feature, but very, I think, very important for user experience. You see here, I'm sorting automatically the components of an agent. So because sometimes Weaver generates workflows that are not well sorted. And also sometimes when your agent becomes very like big or something, you can get some strange organization. So this will try to sort it well. It does not work when you have a lot of connected components, obviously, because it's an algorithm that tries to sort it, but it does a good job. We will release it as a shortcut key, and then we will add a button, and then it will be also a feature in Weaver. There will be two sorting modes. One that sorts the whole agent, and one, if you click a component and trigger the sort, it will only sort the workflow that contains that component. So this way you can decide if you want to sort everything